Officer Section 259. Under Section 259 of the Companies Act, 2013, an officer includes any director, manager, or key managerial personnel, KMP, appointed by the company. This definition encompasses various roles and responsibilities within the company's management and governance structure. Types of officers. 1. Director. Directors are individuals appointed to the board of directors of the company, responsible for strategic decision-making, corporate governance, and oversight of management. They have fiduciary duties to act in the best interests of the company and its stakeholders, ensuring compliance with legal obligations and safeguarding shareholder interests. 2. Manager. A manager is an executive appointed by the board of directors to manage the company's day-to-day operations and implement strategic initiatives approved by the board. Managers may include executive directors, managing directors, or other senior executives entrusted with significant powers of management under the company's articles of association or resolutions passed by shareholders. 3. Key managerial personnel, KMP. KMPs are senior executives appointed by the board, including the managing director, chief executive officer, CEO, chief financial officer, CFO, company secretary, or any other officer designated as KMP under the Act. They play critical roles in corporate governance, compliance, financial management, and administrative functions, ensuring alignment with regulatory requirements and operational objectives. Responsibilities and duties. 1. Corporate governance. Officers are responsible for upholding high standards of corporate governance, transparency, and ethical conduct in all business dealings. They ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, disclosure norms, and corporate governance guidelines prescribed by regulatory authorities such as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA. 2. Operational management. Officers oversee day-to-day business operations, execute business strategies, and manage resources effectively to achieve company objectives and maximize shareholder value. They implement policies, procedures, and controls to mitigate risks, optimize performance, and sustain operational excellence across functional areas. 3. Financial accountability. Officers ensure accurate financial reporting, budgeting, and financial management practices to maintain financial integrity, transparency, and accountability. They monitor financial performance, manage cash flow, and make informed decisions to support sustainable growth and profitability. Legal framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013. The Act defines the roles, responsibilities, and legal obligations of officers, directors, and KMPs, outlining their duties to act honestly, diligently, and in good faith in the best interests of the company. Officers are accountable for ensuring statutory compliance, timely filing of returns and reports, maintaining corporate records, and safeguarding company assets.